In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track employee time using QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the exact clicks, and I'll call out helpful tips so your time data flows smoothly into payroll and job costing. Start inside QuickBooks Online and look to the left navigation. Click Time. That opens the Time Tools area. Here, choose the green Launch QuickBooks Time button. This opens the QuickBooks Time app that's connected to your company. If a new tab appears, that's expected. If you're prompted, sign into your QuickBooks Time account so the system knows who's entering time. Only users with permission can add or edit time, so make sure you're signed in with the right access. Once you're in QuickBooks Time, decide how you want to record hours. Use Time Clock if you're clocking in and out in real time throughout the day. Use time entries if you're adding past hours or entering a single block of time. Both end up in the same timesheet records. It's just a different workflow. Next, select the employee. If you're entering your own time, your name may be pre-selected. Managers can choose any team member from the list. Double-check you're on the correct date or date range so the hours land in the right pay period. Enter the hours worked and the date. Depending on your setup, you might enter a start time and end time, or a total number of hours. Add breaks if your company tracks them. Accuracy matters here, because this is what payroll and billing will use. If your company tracks work by project or job, assign the appropriate project or customer to the entry. This links the time to that job for reporting and job costing. Pick the best match from the drop-down. If you don't see a project, it may need to be added by an admin before you can select it. When everything looks good, click Save. Look for a confirmation or a brief success message. If you see an error, it usually means a required field, like the employee, date, or hours, was left blank. Fix that and save again. You can repeat these same steps for additional employees or dates as needed. That's it. You've captured time in a way that syncs back to QuickBooks Online, making payroll and invoicing more accurate with less manual work. That's how to track time using QuickBooks Online.